Sir, thank you, Speaker, sir. My first supplementary. Given the large migration of workforce to cities in search of better employment opportunities, is there any proposal to establish multi-skill training centers in rural or semi-rural areas of Andhra Pradesh, especially my constituency, Anakapalli?
Sir, Honourable Member has highlighted his constituency. Let me state that the state of Andhra Pradesh is doing a lot to prioritize skilling. One of the innovations they are coming up with is that we are tracking at Ministry of Skill Development is the skill census. So a lot of the issues about migration, the impact on industry and how we can target and reorient our skilling programs to look at those beneficiaries, that information will come up hopefully from the state exercise. Honourable Member has put in a request that skill centers targeting industries in his constituency be put up. Definitely, sir. Already there are skill centers looking at PMKY 4.0. If we look at it, future skill orientation is there under the scheme. And if there's any proposal from industry, from our skill councils, from state government, we can look into it, sir.
Supplementary. Sir, whether there is a proposal including logistic and port-based skilling. Sir, just last Monday, with the blessings of and the coordination of our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, in my constituency, ArcelorMittal has laid the foundation of 18 million metric tons. There, lot of youth is there. For that youth, useful, that type of for steel plant, useful skill development will come. It will be useful to my constituency. Is there any thinking like that?
Sir, in our new scheme of PM Setu, where ITI clusters are, informed by the state government, and there's a SPV structure where we onboard industry partnership in those institutions, definitely logistics courses can be taken up. In fact, our Honorable Prime Minister has mentioned on many occasions that targeting the port industry, it's a sunrise sector where India is taking leadership. Even in ITI courses should be introduced. Accordingly, sir, central government is seized of the matter. State of Andhra Pradesh under PM Setu has already organized the state screening committee. It has informed us that they want to take up one cluster in phase 1. And RFP for the same has also been issued, sir.
Say Deepender Huda.